So this is our project Waste Oil Recycler. I am from Kolkata, and my name is Adrija, and we are from Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. So what happens when a car goes for servicing? It releases 5 liters of toxic waste carcinogenic oil, which causes nothing but pollution. So what we do is we take that toxic oil as an input, then it goes through a series of chemical and physical processes. As you can see right now also our primary reaction chamber is on, and as you can see there's a shaft that is rotating. So the acid is mixing with the oil in a controlled temperature for controlled period of time using timer circuit and temperature microcontroller. So we are exactly mimicking what we used to done in a chemical laboratory, but here it is in a much safer situation and flamelessly. Similarly, we have another boiler blender too, and we have our own design centrifuge unit, which is this one, in which the sludge particles that will be generated in the whole process will be collected inside the cuboidal structure, and from the pipe clean oil will ooze out, which we will again collect, and after all of this is done we generate a fuel oil. Now where we can use that fuel oil? That fuel oil has three uses, industrial uses. Firstly, it can be used in boilers, secondly for furnaces, and third, and the main use is that we can use it in marine ship as a marine ship fuel oil, so it can be used in running ships. And a good part is nowadays pollution control board says lesser the sulfur content of the oil, better the oil, and the produced oil by our machine has a very less concentration of sulfur, which is like 0.005, almost negligible, so which makes our oil perfect for heavy uses, heavy industrial uses. And the whole system is also automated using STM32, and we are controlling it. It's basically time based coding we have done, so the whole system is automated. That's about the idea. Thank you.